Hi, I'm Simon. Welcome back to my channel, Crooked Imaging. And Monday morning, excellent. We've got some great news from DJI. Thanks for all the comments and everything else from my video that we put up last week with regard to the DJI Fly app, and the fact that DJI had removed the option to allow your iPhone to be charged from the controller, or sorry, any iOS device to be charged from your controller. I have had an email this morning. I've only just got into the office, so I've just had an email to let me know that DJI have just released a new version of the app, 1.4.3. Now, it doesn't look like there's any changes, but let's have a quick look and see if they've added phone charging, or device charging, I should say. Let's have a look. Right. Going to go into the App Store. And as you can see, what's new? 1.4.3. Now, it doesn't actually say that they've done anything to this version over 1.4.2, but on the email that DJI sent me, said that nothing else had changed. They had just enabled phone charging. So let's have a look. So I'm going to open up the app. So I've already done the update. Let me connect my controller, which is what I'm just doing now. Just switching the controller on. Right, so let's just have a quick look in the settings under control. Right, so okay, I don't see any new settings to allow me to do phone charging, but let me come out of the app. Oh, I've just come out of the app, and as we can actually see on the top of the screen, if you look at the battery icon at the top right, we can see the charger, or sorry, the device is actually charging. So if I turn the controller off, we can see that the phone is not charging. And if I turn the controller on, there we have it. Let me just kind of say, automatically opens the app. Let me just come out of the app. Yep, and there we go. The phone is permanently charging. So it looks like they've enabled permanent phone charging. So we look like we have lost the ability to switch it on or off. And just having a look through. Yep, definitely no settings there for phone charging. Just going to have a quick look and see if there's anything else in any of the other settings. No. 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 So, let me know in the comments below how you feel about the fact that you can't switch off phone charging. So we've got phone charging, which is, as I say, a very nice feature. But do you want the ability to not have phone charging as well? I personally, I like the option to be able to switch it off, only because if you are flying and your controller battery is getting low and your phone battery is fine, then you could run the risk of the controller going flat, because it is charging your phone at the same time as running the controller. We don't seem to be able to win, do we? So the previous version 1.4 had the ability to be able to switch on and off phone charging, which gives you the best of both worlds. Now we can only have it permanently on at the moment. So I am going to fire an email over to DJI. But please let me know in your comments below what you think. But if you want to install the this version of the app, I've had a look through. I can't see any other changes to the app. I haven't been out and flown the drone. It's currently raining here at the moment, so I can't go out and fly the drone and try the app. But on the face of it, it doesn't look like there are any other changes, other than the fact now when the controller is switched on, it automatically charges your iOS device. And this is how it was with 1.4.2 with an Android device. But we still don't have the ability to be able to switch on or switch off that feature. So it now is permanently on for iOS devices. As I say, leave comments below. Don't forget, if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and then you'll be notified as soon as I bring a new video out with useful tips. See you again soon. Bye for now.